Morning folks, welcome aboard another day building EV. Well, it's actually tomorrow from yesterday, because yesterday's welcome didn't seem to record. It's a rather different day from yesterday. Anyway, I'll tell you what I said yesterday. I said that I shall be putting in bedroom walls and possibly the manifold in there, and then I walked up this hill and to my car and spun around and said what a glorious day it was, because it was yesterday. It was blue skies and all sorts of things like that, and today we're back to the wind doing its thing and the weather being the weather. So that's good. Nice weather for ducks, fishes, whatever. Anyway, just off to collect something that I need, and I'll be back and carry on. Yesterday I was going up to the car to unload a couple of things, a couple of bits of board that I need to fix this wall up. This piece was I've got two of them, one for the other side as well. So anyway, I just mounted this up, and then I started on the manifold, which, well, I'll leave you to watch. But basically, there were lots of pondering that I've chopped out from that, but I think I'm happy enough with what I've done.
ruba, e noi rubo, tu rubi, gli ruba, e noi rubiamo, 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 è solo un gioco chi ride, chi canta, e noi io rubo, tu rubi, gli ruba, non sarà giusto ma prendo con gusto, è solo un gioco chi tanto, chi poco, chi niente, ma ruba, 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 ruba.
Well, the battery ran out on the phone, so there's a bit of stuff lost, but or not recorded, whatever. Anyway, I've threaded up these cables that I forgot to put in, annoyingly, and also this one here, which is USB power. So that's good. I've decided to put this board in. It's about 4 centimeters shorter than it needs to be in width, but it's behind the washing machine, and I really can't justify worrying about making it absolutely perfect. The manifold is obviously in now. I have got a bit of one of the pipes seems to be binding a little in here as it exits through into the engine bay. So I've cut a piece of pipe and I've wedged it open. That will then hopefully mean that I can wrap it around that tomorrow, and that'll be a bit of extra protection for it. Here, this is at an angle and has pocket holes in. So I realised that I have got these ones ready to go as well, but actually I probably want to attach these. So I want to attach the board to the front face first, and then I'll screw them in where they line up, rather than actually screwing them to the to the rear bulkhead. Here, then there'll be a piece of 19mm there, as I say. that'll be flat, and it'll just come out like that. So so that'll be all right. So this will just be a flat piece of wood there. The lower vent there that normally people have them in the doors, but I've got it in the side there. So all in all, things seem to be sort of coming together, and I've got, having done this side, then the other side should be that much easier and quicker to do. So anyway, tomorrow I think I will be messing about with towel rads, trying to figure those out. There's one there, obviously that will go just here. There's another one that will go over the other side. I'll probably at least hang them on the walls. Yeah, just worry about the piping that comes in the bottom. So that's the plan. So I shall look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care, everybody.